Hi, I'm Niamh Power and I work as an assembly fitter in Terex. I am working on the Phoenix line currently. When I left school, I went to uni and I did maybe the wrong degree. I went down the sports line and I probably should have went more to technology line because I did that as an A-level. And then when I seen the job come up as an assembly fitter in Terex, I thought, yeah, that's more of my sort of thing because I came from like a background from farming. And I'd always been welding stuff and making wee random things in the farm and just always working there, so I just went for it. Oh, 100%. You're learning something new every single day. Every build you're picking up something different, and it's been great. They've been very welcoming as a gear, like, the team. As Roisin says, great bunch of lads down that shed. My team's unreal. I have no faults with them at all. Anything I need at all, the fellas will help me, no problem. And I have a great supervisor down there as well. Like, anything I've ever needed, I went and asked them and no problem. Nothing's ever too much for them, like.